Okay, good day everyone. So today I will discuss on how to get certificate online via Coursera. So dito, maraming mga course dito na may nag-offer ng financial aid. So yun yung hanapin natin. So kailangan nating mag-aral, mag-exam, pumasa para makuha ng certificate online. So ngayon mag-search tayo ng CompSIA. Okay? A+. Network. Okay, since network, kuha tayo ng certificate. Okay, click lang natin ang CompSIA A+ network. So yan, mayroong nagpakita. Itingnan natin kung mayroon siyang financial aid available. Okay, so CompSIA A+ network specialization, mayroon tayong nakitang financial aid available. Okay, financial aid available, ito siya. Yan, financial aid available. Click lang natin yan. And then, may papakita ang original price, $49 US. Okay, so since naka-apply ako ng scholarship, nakalagay dyan, you already have a pending financial aid application for this course. So, inaantay ko na lang yung approval nila. Okay, naka-apply na ako ng financial aid. Okay, maghahanap tayo ulit ng bago. Type lang natin ang CompSIA A+ network. Kung yun yung gusto nating pag-aralan para makakuha ng certificate pag pumasa ng exam. So, ayan, maghahanap tayo. Hanapin natin yung 1 to 4 weeks lang. Then, pag nakahanap na tayo, click lang natin siya. Click natin yan, and then, puntahan natin yung financial aid available. Ito siya. Click lang natin yan. Click natin to, financial aid available. And then, selected course, may papakita dyan. Wait lang natin. And then, click continue to the application. Okay, so dito, welcome back. Meron ako nilagay dyan dati. Okay, pwede kayong maglagay dyan. College degree, master's degree, high school, some college. And then, naglagay ako ng annual income, 80,000 per annum, per year. And then, nilagay ko dyan part-time. And then, meron tayong reason for, reason you applied for aid. Okay, ano daw yung rason mo? Bakit ka nag-apply ng financial aid or scholarship? So, ilagay nyo dyan 150 words. Dapat ang ilagay ninyo. Kung ano yung rason ninyo. And after that, i-click mo ang I reviewed my information and click mo lang ang next. And then, may nakalagay dito, how much can you pay for your selected course? Okay? $25 ang nakalagay dyan. Okay, so ngayon, since kailangan natin ng scholarship, ilalagay lang natin siya na 0. Okay? Kasi wala nga tayong pambayad. And nag-apply tayo ng financial aid assistance. Okay? And then, how will your selected course help with your goals? Then, lalagay mo pa rin dyan yung reason mo. Ano yung may tutulong sa'yo ng kursong ito? So, ilalagay mo dyan 150 words. Okay, meron na dito ako dati naka-save na dati. Kaka-copy paste ko na lang. So, sa inyo, gagawa kayo ng sarili ninyo. Okay, after nyo may lagay yung yung goals nyo, meron tayong i-check dyan. I'm sharing, I'm commit, finishing. Okay. Check nyo yung dalawang dyan, terms and condition. And then, i-retype nyo yung I agree to the terms above. Okay, sabi niya kasi, please type the following sentence. I agree to the terms above. Type natin yan. And then, click lang natin ang I'm not robot. Select natin ang cars. Select cars. Ayan. and verify. And then, review. Titingnan natin ngayon yung mga nilalagay natin mula una. Meron tayong reason for applied. And then, click lang natin yung submit application. So, once na-click natin yung submit application, maghihintay na lang tayo ng approval. Kung ma-approve man yung na-applyan nating financial aid, okay. So, ma-receive natin siya ng November 29, 2023. I-check natin siya sa email. Magbibigay sila ng link doon. So, yun lang. Then, after ma-approve, dun na, magbibigay sila ng module, video discussion, and then, kailangan natin ipasa yung mga bibigyan nilang exams. After we pass, they will issue a legit certificate.